Oh, no. Okay, so we just heard a siren. Oh, dang. I got the, dang.
Oh, it's probably just an oversized load.
Oh, looks like a, why do they have the firefighter people out here?
Down there. That's probably where everybody was going.
Yeah, so we had like, dang, that's like, oh, he's getting out.
Trying to get out.
We just had like, ooh, dang, why do I keep doing that? I keep putting my thumb on the camera thing.
I don't know.
Sorry, Mom. Okay, so, sorry, Mom and people. We just heard sirens passing by our house twice. I called my friend to see what was going on because they were going to his house.
Towards his house.
Towards his house. And apparently they went to the other complex. So we went over there to figure out what was going on, where was the shenanigans. And as we're going, there's an ambulance behind us. So we don't know we had nowhere to go. I told her to go onto the other side of the road. You would hear that.
Why are you videotaping my car up?
I'm not.
You were.
You would be hearing that in my last clip. But yeah,
there goes an ambulance.
There goes another ambulance with someone in it. It's so busy out. I mean, there's like calls to calls from calls. We've had like what, 5?
Probably.
Past our house. And I mean, this is just crazy. We've had 2.
Where's your seatbelt? Oh, you got it on.
I have it on. I'm scared. Anything happens, I'm not going through that roof.
Through the window, not roof. Don't go through the roof.
Yeah, well, hit the eject button. Ew. Even though there is no eject button, but it's crazy out. I mean, it's just, wow.
It's just crazy.
I mean, there was an ambulance. No, 2 ambulances?
Well, actually, no. Between all of them, I probably would say there were 3 or 4 ambulances.
So altogether, there was about 3 or 4 ambulances, about like
2 paramedics and
2
fire trucks between all 3 places.
2 fire trucks between all 3 places. So I mean, I don't know what's happening. I asked my bud. It's not in his complex. You see, we got the police out. Got the police out. You're not getting me.
Yeah, well, you got that light on, you're gonna get me.
Well, you were the one that put it on. Okay, I don't think, yeah, he's not looking at me. We're good. Okay, I'm over here, right there. Where my finger is, my face is, see? Okay, thank you, light. So, this is just crazy. Okay, well, that's all I wanted to tell you. Oh, I thought we were getting spotted. Okay, well, see you